A few decades ago, the public was still invited to participate in the rise of outstanding companies like Microsoft, Apple, or Amazon. Today, such companies go public once they already have ultra-high valuations, and individual investors are entirely left out. The number of privately held companies has nearly doubled over the last 20 years, leading to even less opportunities on public markets. Most value is being captured during the time companies stay private, and therefore it is no wonder that private assets have outperformed their public counterpart since over 2 decades. This has happened through all economic cycles and is partially owned due to the long term and not the quarter-by-quarter thinking. Private companies are also far more often entrepreneurial-led in contrast to their public counterparts, which are governance-led. Large institutional investors are taking advantage of this mega trend, as private markets are inaccessible for the public or individual investors. Investment minimums in private equity funds, for example, can be as high as 20 million per ticket. Adding private assets to an invested portfolio enhances returns while minimizing risk. Yet only 5% of individual investors have private assets in their portfolio, while 99% of all companies are held in private hands. Moonshot is predominantly investing in late-stage private equity. We call this the sweet spot, as it's the point of highest potential on a risk-adjusted basis. At this point, companies are no longer risky startups. They are real companies with tangible products that drive revenue to the business. Our network has been formed with the thought to democratize access and collectively invest in those highly lucrative assets. Moonshot members jointly invest into carefully selected opportunities in private equity, private debt, private real estate, and pre-IPO stock, with minimum investments as low as $10,000 or $500 a month. This way, we open the doors to private markets and give individual investors access to an investment class that has outperformed the public markets over 2 decades. By using ultra-lean instrument structures, we keep management fees for our members extremely low. Besides investing, we also have created a global community of like-minded individuals exchanging inspiring ideas at our social events and educating themselves about private markets on our platform. Members also receive benefits from companies we've invested in and get access to their top-tier legal, tax, and investor advice through our network and accredited partners. Join us. You're only one application away.